Hey guys, and here today we have this 2013 Suzuki SX4 in a hatchback, and I would like to show you how to replace, how to take off the rear door panel in this car. So in order to do some repairs and maintenance on this car, sometimes you have to take off the door panel. How to do this, I'll show you in this quick tutorial. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this clip here, this cover. Just find the grabbing point, pull on it. Don't force it too much, and these two clips will come out from the holes. Set it aside. Next step, you will have to open this cover with nail, with screwdriver or whatever you have in hand. Take it out here, and this one right here. Okay, so we have to open both of them. Behind them there will be screws, so you'll have to get Phillips screwdriver and remove two screws, 1 and 2. So do this and come back. Oh well, that was just a little bonus for you guys. So next step, you have screws out. Next step we have to do, we have to remove the panel, which is being held right now down by clips. So what we do, find the leverage point and pull on the side like this. So we unclip the clips, and now what we have to do is disconnect this connector. There's only one connector here. So we disconnect the connector and set this aside. Now you have full access to whatever you need to do. Handle, speaker, regulator, window motor, whatever you need to fix. When you're done, same way, connect the connector. Pull it in till it clicks. After that, we have to align the clips with holes. Okay, and just flip the panel back to the door. Simple. Then we put this cap here now. Take two screws and put them back in here and here. Make sure the holes are aligned. If they're not, something's wrong. So this one, and then screw them in and close the lids, and that's it. As you can see, it's a very simple procedure. Hope this helps, and if it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.